Webull trading platform recently updated their software by adding option for traders to add custom scripts to create their own indicators. So I created a couple of indicators to assist me with trading, and I'm making a series of videos demonstrating the different indicators that I created so far. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the indicators that I created, which automatically draws the previous day high and low, the pre-market high and low, and also the opening range high and low. By opening range, it can be even the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minutes, or any other interval that traders choose to trade. This indicator has the capability to accommodate all those ranges. So just to demonstrate the indicator over here, under my indicators tab over here, I have my favorites, and also it's listed on this list. I have the default Webull indicators, a couple of them, and I have my own custom indicators over here. So just to demonstrate the pre-market, previous day, and the opening range, I have it over here as the naming PD for previous day, pre-market, PM, and OR is for opening range. So in this case, I had this box, the word box, because I added an option for it to highlight the pre-market and also the opening range intervals with some light colors, which is optional. It can be turned on and turned off. So just to demonstrate over here, I turn on the indicator, and as you can see over here, it shows these high and lows for days, even starting from, yeah, there is a setting to set the date, telling it from which date onwards to draw these lines. So if I go to the day before over here, so we can see over here, so the highlights, it can be turned off, but just to explain the one, this line, the purple one and the yellow line, that gives the opening range. So in this case, the opening range is the first 5 minutes. I'm on the 5 minute. So this is the first 5 minute candle, the top and the bottom. That's what this indicator traces and draws. So I have over here the opening range, and the shading is light yellow, and also for the pre-market over here, as can be seen, the broken green line and the broken red line down here, those show the pre-market level. So in this case, my indicator, it starts tracking the price at 4 a.m. when the pre-market trading starts, and it tracks the highs and lows. So all these zigzag lines we see over here is until the indicator identifies the peaks of the high and the lows for the pre-market. So in this case, because this is the lowest low that for the pre-market, so there is a straight line, but since the stock was increasing in price as we get closer to the opening hour, so it was tracking the highs, and this can also be an indicator for the direction. So this shows that the stock is increasingly going to the upwards. So the red shading, the green shading over here, it shows pre-market. And the other one cool thing that I added is, so this orange line over here, that's the previous day close. So in this case, yeah, the previous day close, just like the other indicators, the other lines I have here, those are the ones that are used by algo trading and institutions. So this is where price tends to gravitate towards. So this is a previous day close. No need to refer to either the line chart or some other location. So it's already here. There is in the option, all these lines can be turned on and off. And coming to this green broken line, this is the previous day high for this stock. So if we go look to the left, so that mark is the previous day high. And if we zoom in, so this is the previous day low right over here. So we have it over here as well. So that's the previous day low, and this one is for the previous day close. So the orange is previous day close, the red one is the previous day low. Same over here. So if we come back to this day, previous day high, previous day low, and the orange line, previous day close. And if we come over here, pre-market high and low, and the opening range, they match over here. See, so the purple line over here and the yellow line over here, those show the opening range, and the green line that stretch from here, that's the pre-market high, and this red line, that's the pre-market low. This, because they are right, they are on the same area, but again it shows the shading. And yeah, same thing with this one. So just to show you the options we have under settings over here. So when this expanded, it shows the color. So the purple one, it says opening range high, and the yellow opening range low. Pre-market high is green, pre-market low red, right, and previous day high green, and previous day low green, and previous day close is in orange. So that's one quick reference. And under settings we have these options. So if somebody doesn't want to have the shading, let's say for the opening range break, when this is unchecked, it goes away. Right, so the highlighting it goes away. So when it's done, opening range, it comes up. So, and show pre-market lines. So this is just to turn on and off the pre-market. So when it's off, pre-market goes away. When it's turned on, pre-market comes back. Same with show previous day high low, and also with previous day close. And opening range break, the duration 5 is the default, but this can be, let's say if I change it to 15, see, the chart automatically updates. If I take it back to 5, 800. If I make it this 30, also, yeah, that also changes. And under style, this is where we change the color of the lines. If you want them to be broken lines or dot lines, this is where we change. Also the plotting that I mentioned earlier. So if somebody wants not to have the plotting, if we uncheck this, so this is for the opening range. So as can be seen there, this goes away and it comes back. Let me, for this demonstration, I'll turn it off. And for the pre-market high and low, we have this checkbox. So if I do this, it goes away. So, but in my case, I prefer to have the shadings there. See, if I close the setting, when I zoom in, it doesn't that much cover the candlesticks from showing. So this is the way I want it to show. And one other option, if we click over here and this auto fit indicator, if it turned off, it gives a better managing for the zooming out the screen. That way, to get better visibility of the candlesticks. I hope this video was very informative and helpful. If anybody wants to get a copy of the script for this indicator, the link to the website where one can get this indicator is in the description. Thank you for watching.